Welcome back to the vlog, guys. My hair should be a perfect example of how hot it is. I showered, came outside, and it already air dried on my walk. That is so crazy. It's been so hot. And we are back today on the vlog because we're going to do another what I eat in a week video. We had a little backyard party for mine and Neil's 30th birthday, so I got some footage of that to pop in here to make it interesting. But nonetheless, we do have some goodies, little goodies in this vlog today, so I am excited to get it started and to do it for you guys. Lucy and I are on a walk right now. We usually like to start our days with Neil. We go on a little family walk in the morning. I've already filmed all of the week, so I am just kind of filming the intro backwards, just to kind of let you guys know what to expect in today's video. So let's get this vlog started. Okay, so starting off today's breakfast with a little something simple. I made some chia pudding the night before. I put it in this little mason jar. I'll include the recipe down below. So I'm just gonna mix it up again. Give it a little stir. It's sat overnight. And I'm just going to put this all in a bowl, just like that. And then it's ready for some toppings. So you can literally put whatever you want in here. You can put like coconut flakes. I'm gonna put in a few blueberries, and I'm gonna put on a few raspberries, and you can drizzle it with a little maple syrup. There's already maple syrup in it, but you can do whatever you like. And then if you really want to get a little fancy, you can put just a few little mini chocolate chips for a crunch. I also have cocoa nibs that are great, which would be even healthier. But I just pulled out the chocolate chips from my fridge, but I should put the cocoa nibs because they are healthier. And that's an easy breakfast. If you just kind of want to mix it up from like your overnight oats or that kind of thing, this is also great. And it's nice protein, fiber, all that good stuff. Super yummy, really delicious and easy. Someone is looking for crumbs from lunchtime. Okay, sometimes when we're just lazy, this is what we do for lunch. So we just get like a pizza kit, and then we do our own toppings. So got a little Kirkland mozzarella cheese, and then Neil, he got a little fancy thing going on here.
Doing a Hawaiian with some pineapple, some bacon, and some jalapeno.
Some jalapeno, yes, so yummy. Okay, so we're just gonna pop this in. Nice, easy, quick lunch when we're like starving past the point of starvation and just need something filling and quick. Pizza is out of the oven. It looks so good, Neil. You did a great job. And just gonna have a little iced tea on the side. I really love this Pure Leaf lemon iced tea. I actually fill up like this much of water just to kind of dilute it a little bit, and some ice, put some fresh lemon in there, and it is so refreshing. Okay, I'm gonna make one of my favorite ginger refresher drinks. I found this through Amanda Assad. I follow her on Instagram. She's super cute, and she always has really cute and easy and healthy recipes on her channel as well. So the first thing you have to do is blend some ginger. I actually have like frozen chopped ginger from my mother-in-law because she's an angel and did that for me, because she knows we love to like pop them in like our ginger tea and make these drinks. So you just blend this first with water, and then I'm going to show you what you do next. Okay, so now I'm just letting the pulp kind of just like get gathered up in this little sifter, and that way it's just like the pure ginger juice, so it's nice and smooth. I'm actually gonna save this pulp on the side here and just throw it into some hot water later for like a nice ginger tea, so it doesn't go to waste. But you want to put this in the fridge just while you're doing the next part, so it's nice and cold. So next you want to add a little sweetener. I'm a Canadian girl, so I'm gonna do maple syrup. She did agave nectar, which you could also do, just whatever you choose, and then you mix in a little lime juice, and that's going to be the sweetener to this drink. Okay, so I just mixed the maple syrup and the lime, and then I added some ice, and now I'm just going to add a 1/4 cup of the ginger juice to each glass. So this should be enough for both, but I'm just going to measure it out so it's perfect. Oop, I'm spilling. So hard for me to pour and focus at the same time, so I'm just going to mix this up. I've poured them into both glasses. Stir it up really good, And then what I like to add is a little club soda, sparkling water, that kind of thing. And that's gonna give it a really nice fizzy, almost kind of like a virgin cocktail kind of feel to it. And with just like the lime, the ginger, the syrup, oh, it's so good. So let me just pop that in, and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks at the end. And that is it. How refreshing do those look? They taste so good, they're nice and healthy, and I know you guys will enjoy it. So this is kind of like something we like to have when it's super hot out, just like a nice little afternoon pick-me-up drink that doesn't, you know, it's not coffee, but you're kind of bored of water, and it really is nice. And it's perfect for digestion, really, really good for bloating. Ginger is amazing. I love ginger. Warm or cold, I love it. But this is how I love to enjoy it cold. So again, check out Amanda. That's where I got the recipe from. Huge shout out to her because this is incredible. Oh, wow. I just kicked that off. Come out here on the patio and enjoy a little ginger refresher with this babe. I love how she just has made herself a little pillow. Sitting on the rug, enjoying the sun. I don't let her stay out for too long. She could just stay out here all day, but it's not good for her. I don't want her to get heat stroke, but she is loving this little spot. Here's a little random thing I just did. So I popped over to the dollar store and I just went and got some new hooks. So I just use these like little hooks. You can get them at craft stores, you can buy them on Amazon. I found them at the dollar store, and I love hanging my hats up here in the bedroom. We had like this blank wall, and I wanted to put, I mean, we have so many pictures above our bed here, so I didn't really want to put that like more pictures or art on this side, but it was so like blank and it needed to be filled. So I had 3 hats here, and then the hooks I was using they were too small. So now I have these, and I did 4 this time, and I really, really love how it looks. So I put a little tutorial on my Instagram stories if you're not following me over there. Super simple. I just stuck them on, hung them, and honestly I just eyeballed it. I just kind of like measured out to see with each hat, like the brim, the width, but I love how it turned out. So anyways, that's just some random goodness in my week. A little, you know, fun little DIY that's super easy, and it just adds like a nice, like, you know, wall art piece that your hats are art. And I love hats. Like, these are my like investment hats. I just adore them, so I love seeing them on display. Okay, this is a good like side salad. I'm actually just remaking my favorite pesto salmon that was in last week's What I Eat in a Week, so I'm not going to show you that again because that'll bore you, but we're going to have it with this. As you can see, we like our favorites and we kind of go on repeat sometimes. So but this salad just reminds me of my mom and her dad, because my mom always like takes everything, like she loves a really colorful plate, so she'd always like take everything out. So there's like carrots and celery and cucumber, like anything in your fridge, lettuce. And then the dill reminds me of her dad because he had it in his garden. And growing up, whenever we'd go over there to eat, he'd always put dill on the salad. So I always associate dill with the memory of him. So it's cute because the salad is like both of them together. So for dressing, I always like to make salad dressings at home myself. I'll either do like lemon, some honey, apple cider vinegar, or oil and vinegar, or balsamic, salt and pepper, because a lot of those like bottled dressings are just full of all kinds of stuff. So it's good to just kind of make your own at home. You can always like Google recipes for homemade salad dressings, and we just love this because it's so nice and fresh for summer. It gives you a nice crunch. I love it. You can add like some wontons, you can add nuts on there. This is part of our day. This is definitely part of our week. A lot of this. Lou, you gonna give me a toy? You
You gonna give me a toy? I love you. What's your toy? Huh? You wanna give me your toy? I just love when she tilts her head like that. Come on, ready, go! Starting the day off with one of my easiest go-to breakfasts. I mean, I'm sure you guys already eat this as well. I don't think I'm showing you guys anything crazy new here, but I love a little avocado toast on some rye bread. Sourdough is good too, toasted, super yummy. You can mix a little veganese in it and that'll make it like really fluffy too. So I just have some like mashed avocado. I did the everything but the bagel seasoning. I'll show you guys. It's now available at Costco. I can't get to Trader Joe's anymore because that's across the border. So we don't have that in Canada. So I did find it though at Costco because some of you guys let me know on Instagram. Thank you very much. And then I put some cherry tomatoes, salt, pepper, and some chili flakes. I love it a little spicy. We're gonna go for a little walk, so we have to wear a mask in our condo building, like in the elevator, in the common area, and that kind of thing. So I have like these fabric masks that I really love. I got them around March, and they're nice and breathable. Love the little print, the design, the fabric. And then we go on a little family walk just to get a little break, you know, after lunch. Walk it out, the weather is beautiful. Soon it's gonna get cold again and then we're gonna have to be, you know, probably inside more. So definitely trying to take advantage of the nice weather, get outside, walk the dog, and enjoy. This is the most random thing to include in a what I eat in a week vlog, but we're gonna go and take Lou for a walk, and that's what we do during the week. Lots of doggy walks, and I actually got this little kibble bubble to attach to my little pouch so that I can store her little treats. And basically, anytime I want to give her a treat, I just like open it like that, and like one of them will fall out. I thought that was brilliant. I know this is hilarious, but I don't know, if you have a dog and you go on walks, the treats can just like get really crummy, and you always have to like put them in like plastic bags or that kind of thing. So anyways, I purchased this so that I could hook it. You could like hook it to like your jeans, like a loop on your pants, or I always have like a pouch because I like to bring my phone, you know, my keys, and just have everything on me. For dinner tonight, we are gonna have some turkey bowls. So I've got a little turkey on the stovetop. Going, and I chopped up some nice veggies. So we're gonna do a little cherry tomatoes, avocado, some onion on top, got some beans here to add to the bowl. So the turkey is a cooking, and I've got some rice over here, and then we just really top it with hot sauce. Super simple, nice healthy dish, and you get a bunch of different vitamins and nutrients. That's why I love bowls. Okay, this is how the finished turkey bowl looks, and then I love putting on a little bit of Frank's red hot sauce on top. That's all I use. You can do like your own like homemade like dressings with like tahini or that kind of thing. You can just kind of like blend up some like herbs and garlic and that kind of thing. It's really just whatever you like. I like to have a little crunch on top, so I add the everything but the bagel or everything bagel seasoning that I got from Costco. Of course, they have this at Trader Joe's. This is where I get mine. So it just adds a nice crunch to it, and it has like garlic, like onion, poppy seeds, sesame seeds, all that fun stuff. And then yeah, I just add a little bit of Frank's Red Hot, and it's a super delicious, easy, quick weeknight meal. I also forgot to add, I love adding a little grass-fed yogurt on top, like just 2% plain yogurt. It's the same taste as sour cream, but it's healthier for you, and you get a little bit more like calcium and stuff in your meal. So it's a nice balanced meal. So you got your grains, you know, you got your healthy fats, you got protein in here, the lean protein, and turkey is so much healthier than beef. So we like to have this and substitute it for like when we're craving like maybe like a taco bowl or something like that. All right, so this is a little fun twist for the what I eat in a week. We have my 30th birthday bash. My mom and dad are hosting it in their backyard this year for Neil and I. So I turned 30 on August 14 and his birthday is September 3rd. So we're doing it kind of like in between, and we're having Neil's family, my family, just keeping it to like immediate family. So we're doing it 30th birthday 2020 pandemic style birthday party in the backyard, and it's supposed to rain at some point in the day today, but hopefully it's going to be good weather. But I just wanted to show you guys because they did such cute decorations, all the fun food. So I mean, this is what I'm eating in a week, so why not just add this in here for fun? This is the after party when Neil is entertaining our dog.